SAS, Side Angle Side Criterion of Similarity of Triangles. In this module, we will learn about SAS, Side Angle Side Criterion of Similarity of Triangles. The theorem states that if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. This criterion is referred to as the SAS, Side Angle Side Similarity Criterion for two triangles. Let us perform an activity. Take a line AB is equal to 3 centimeters and at a point A, construct an angle of 60 degrees. Cut off AC is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Join BC. Now take PQ is equal to 6 centimeters. At point P, draw an angle of 60 degrees and cut off PR is equal to 9 centimeters. Join QR. Measure angle B, angle C, angle Q and angle R. We shall find that angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. Thus, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Thus we conclude that if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides containing these angles are proportional, the triangles are similar. Let us take an example for better understanding of the theorem. In figure, OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. Show that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. We are given that OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. So, OA upon OC is equal to OD upon OB. This is equation 1. Also, angle AOD is equal to angle COB as they are vertically opposite angles. This is equation 2. Therefore, from equations 1 and 2, triangle AOD is similar to triangle COB by SAS similarity criterion. So, angle A is equal to angle C and angle D is equal to angle B as corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal.